persons here, Advocate Nadeem Qadri, whom I say he is as good as my son because I know him for a long period of time and he is a Makasturi, that's rightly so for Sonmarg. He is a leading lawyer and very efficient in his own field of study. We have some other guests here like Mr. Samir Bhattu Saab. Then we have Mr. Tawseef Ahmed Saab, Mr. Manzoor Ahmed Pakhtun Saab, Mohammad Sharif Mahmood Saab. Then we have Ms. Sheila Sahiba, Ghulam Ahmad Mir Saab.
His president for his, keynote address, for embracing the audience with his industrial expertise and valuable expertise in the field of tourism. My special thanks to he's been a making of a doctor, Mr. Wasim Raja Saab, for embracing our audience what are the important things when we talk of tourism. And he also
ahead of you. There is no time to go into too much of talk. We have to. You're a youngsters. You're the new generation. You have to make groups. And all the tourism locations that have been earmarked formally by the Department of Tourism, I think we have to have a multi-pronged strategy. Go out there, have a research paper. I'd just like to add a little bit here that about 10-15 years back, we got to know that an amusement park was coming up in Gulmarg. Now we as volunteers, as enthusiasts, we don't have technical knowledge. We are blessed and we are very privileged to be here in the university, which is an ocean of knowledge. So you don't have to reinvent the wheel. It's here, it's all there with you, it's in your minds, you have an amazing faculty, you have an amazing students. Let's get the, fire in the belly happening. You cannot be sitting, you cannot be complacent. I think there are just 6 years left for the clock to turn reverse. So these are the various things that I think we have to attack. All the tourism destinations. Let's make a paper, let's make a list and kindly share what you have already prepared, because we are catalysts, we are people who communicate with the government, with tourists, with the business fraternity. And I keep telling the business fraternity, let us not kill the goose that lays the golden egg. Gandhiji has said that there is enough for everyone's need, but there's not enough for everyone's greed. So the numbers will never be enough. They'll still say, even if about 50 lakh comes, they'll say, no, we need 5 crores, So that number will never finish. The greed will never be satiated. You have to have these benchmarks, you have to have these do's and don'ts, and you have to get strict. But we have to get down on ground and get cracking. And I believe also that charity begins from home. Let us assess the acreage.
Shafi Saab is to that, and Mr. Samir Saab, because we have worked very hard at national and international levels, and our officers over here. It was very just a family feeling working with Yatu Saab and Wasim Saab. Now it's a matter of culture. How we will create a tourism culture, because tourism is boosting in Kashmir, be it at the national or international levels. Sometimes, even now also, when we go with the foreign groups, they don't understand our language. Many abusive languages are used, and now we feel ashamed to translate that. For me, that's not a peace. That's not a peace for my tourist. So I want peace in every respect. I want a tourism culture. I want to.
My good friend Nadeem is Makasturi. We are very happy that Sonmarg is doing very well when it comes to waste management and all. But one thing I missed, you as a student, that somebody said that in the video, I don't know whose voice was that, maybe somebody of you who has prepared the video, he said, the Thajwas glacier is gone, right? That's what the words. But tell me one thing, how many students were on the track? And what was the action next day? On 26th of September, I will not go 100 years back, on 22nd of September 2024, it was hottest in 94 years. But how many of us got the sleep?
Actually give you the better Sonmarg. Nobody told us about how much waste you have collected from Sonmarg, and nor you people have shared any of the negative perspective of Sonmarg. It is under my command and custody from the court as an amicus curiae, and it took me 7 years to actually give you the Thajwas back. It was in serious mess. There was thousands of vehicles going every minute to the Thajwas, and not a single vehicle is now allowed from the 2017. It's a record, and we don't want to take credit of it as an officer of the court. But Central University misses on some very important point of my learned friend, Mr. Yatusa. We are zero at research. Nobody from last 7 years have come to my chamber saying that, sir, your judicial intervention in Sonmarg is wrong. We must do something like this. And this is what is required as the sustainability foundation of the principle of bringing peace. So what we are doing in the courtroom as a lawyers,
that tourism flourishes, not only flourishes but it reaches to the new heights given the potential of the sector. The first question which would come to everybody's mind, why we are here today. I hope that in the welcome address most of the things have been very nicely articulated and presented. But the story goes beyond that.
देश दुनिया की हर खबर सबसे पहले देखने के लिए फॉलो करें दैनिक सवेरा टीवी, यूट्यूब, फेसबुक, इंस्टाग्राम, एक्स और व्हाट्सएप चैनल पर।